In today's video, I'm going to teach you QuickBooks Online, how to set up your check printer. Printing checks directly from QuickBooks Online is a convenient way to streamline your business operations, save time, and ensure accuracy. However, setting up your printer correctly is an essential first step to avoid any misalignment or printing issues. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the entire process, from accessing the setup tools to testing and aligning your printer so you can start printing checks with confidence. If you're new to QuickBooks Online, you'll find a link in the description to create an account and get started. Let's dive in. First, you'll need to open QuickBooks Online and navigate to the dashboard. Once you're there, look towards the top left corner of the screen and click on the New button. This will reveal a drop-down menu with several options. From this menu, select the option labeled Print Checks. Next, you'll be prompted to choose the type of checks you'll be printing. QuickBooks Online supports two main types: voucher checks and standard checks. To determine which one to select, take a look at the packaging of your check packets. It should indicate whether they're voucher or standard. Make your selection based on that information. Before printing anything, it's important to perform a test. Start by loading a blank sheet of paper into your printer. This will allow you to generate a test sample without using an actual check. Now, click on the option that says View, Preview, and Print Sample. This will create a test version of your check layout, which you can print to verify the alignment. Go ahead and click Print to send the test sample to your printer. Once it prints, take the test sheet and compare it to a blank check page. A great way to check the alignment is to hold both pages up to the light. This allows you to see if the fields on the printed sample align correctly with the pre-printed areas on your blank check. If everything looks good and the fields align properly, you're ready to finalize the setup. Simply click the button that says I'm finished with the setup. But if you notice that the alignment is off, don't worry. Click Continue with Setup instead. QuickBooks will guide you through the necessary adjustments, which may involve tweaking your printer settings or modifying the layout until everything lines up as it should. And that's it. Once your printer is set up and aligned, you'll be ready to start printing checks directly from QuickBooks Online. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.